There have been so many challenges with bananas. Well, not this one, but I love my banana smoothies. Add some yogurt, some berries, some bananas, oat, flax seeds, and whatever you want to it, and you're going to get this yummy, nutritious smoothie. But today I decided to try banana on my hair, and girl, you're going to be shocked at the end result. You will know that bananas are not only good for our body, but also for our natural hair. So if you really want to know how I did this and the end result, make sure you're watching to the end. Without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so this is my bananas all blended together. Of course, I added some other ingredients to it to make it work even much better. If you want to know all these ingredients, make sure you're watching to the end because I'm going to reveal everything to you. Girl, I'm not going to hide anything from you, so make sure you're watching to the end. And this is my hair. I started with a freshly washed hair. I decided to work in sections to make application very easier. I was a little concerned about how this is going to feel in my hair, on my skin, and all that. But guess what? With one of the ingredients I added, it made the application much easier. And the smell, I smelled like banana smoothie or maybe some banana bread. I just love the smell. So make sure you're watching to the end because I'm going to show you all the tea to the tea. And hey, if you're still watching, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. Okay, so I'm just working in sections and I make sure I rub it in, get it everywhere. Because if you do not rub it in, it's going to stay on the surface of the hair and that is not what we want. We want it into the hair, inside the hair. You know what I mean, girl? So after that, you just put it in a twist and leave it and go to the next section. Bananas have potassium which softens hair and helps in hair growth too. This delicious and healthy fruit also has some natural oils that help prevent hair breakages. Bananas also contain silica and mineral elements that can help your hair to be stronger and thicker. Also, they are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine. They prevent and control dandruff and also moisturize your hair. Banana contains a lot of protein and you know proteins are good for our hair. So using banana hair mask, girl, is going to do a whole lot of wonders to your hair. I tried this for the first time and I fell in love with it. The good thing about bananas is it's easy to find, easy to use, and very inexpensive. You can find bananas pretty much at everywhere. Okay, let me show you how I prepare this hair mask before I continue applying it to my hair. Make sure you get a very ripe bananas because I heard the ripe ones works better. So these are my two bananas and I'm going to peel them and put them in the bowl like so. And you know how we do it here, girl. If you're still watching this video to this point, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help with your hair growth. I also do simple hairstyle tutorials as well as kids hairstyle tutorials. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to join us because it's always jamming on this channel. So these are my bananas. I put them in the bowl like so, and guess what I'm going to add? And oh yeah, I don't want that rotten banana in my hair, you know, all those brownish part of the bananas, so I made sure to take them out. Okay, I'm going to add some organic milk. We need this. Organic milk is really great for our natural hair. Milk contains proteins and lipids which helps to strengthen hair. It also contains calcium which promotes hair growth and also prevents hair loss. Milk has vitamins, biotins, and as well as potassium. So all these are really great for our hair. It can make your hair soft and really shiny. Okay, let me say this before I forget. Make sure to strain your banana before using it on your hair. If you do not strain your banana hair mask and use it on your hair, you're going to spend the whole day picking bananas from your hair. And I don't want that for you. So make sure to strain it very well. And hey girl, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for DIYs like so. And at this time, I'm going to add some lavender oil. You know I love my lavender oil. I love the smell it adds to it. And that gave it a very nice smell. I also added some extra virgin olive oil, which is also really great for our natural hair. add some shine to the hair, prevent dandruff, and also promote hair growth. So I give it a good stir and I put it back in applicator bottle to make the use very easier. And it's as simple as that, guys. You can prepare this. It's easy to prepare. The ingredients are easy to find. If you do not have the essential oil, you can use any essential oil that you have, or you can even take it out. But this is how it is looking, and I went on to apply it to every part of my hair. Make sure to massage it in my hair and get it to all parts. This hair mask can prevent hair damages, split ends, hair thinning, and promote hair growth. So after everything, I'm going to put a cap on my hair and leave it on for about 2 hours. I intentionally left it for 2 hours because I just wanted to see what was going to happen. Then after that,